In this lesson, you will learn how to take the information you have gathered from different resources and put them into your sloppy copy. At the end, you're going to have 5 total paragraphs, and for each paragraph, you will need to write an intro sentence, write 3 supporting sentences, and write a conclusion. So you're going to make sure that in your paragraph, you have a beginning, a middle, and an end, and you're going to do this 5 times. So all of those details and facts are going to go into a nice, neat paper. Make sure to take your information and make it readable. This is what your readers are going to be reading. They don't want to read a list of details. They want to read an engaging essay. Take your research and make it into an essay. All right, now I'm going to show you how to take details and put them into a sloppy copy. All right, so I'm going to start my sloppy copy today. I put my title down, I put who wrote it, and I just put my name up in the corner just for good measure. So I'm going to remember that I need to skip lines when I do my sloppy copy, so I mark the side. Now, I'm going to take the information that I've gathered. I already crossed it out, but that's okay. I'm going to take the information I gathered and put it into paragraph form. So here's how I'm going to do that. I'm going to start off asking a question. Did you know the capital of the Aztec Empire was called Tenochtitlan? Okay, that's going to be my introduction sentence. Okay, I'm going to cross that detail out. So I'm not going to use it again. Now I'm going to go to my next 2 details, population and broad avenues. I'm going to combine those. So the city had a population of 200,000 people. Woofda. And had broad avenues and beautiful, beautiful markets. All right, I have 1 detail in there. I'm just going to continue on adding details from my graphic organizer until I finish writing. All right, now this video shows how I took the rest of the details in my graphic organizer and put them into paragraph form. Let's listen. I'm writing a conclusion sentence, and I'm using the phrase "as you can see" to finish off, and I'm talking about Tenochtitlan in my first sentence, so I'm going to make sure that I talk about it in my last sentence as well. If you talk about something else in your last sentence, it's not technically a conclusion sentence. You're introducing new information. Your conclusion sentence should wrap up your paragraph. So as you can see, Tenochtitlan was an interesting city. That's how I wrapped it up. I have 4 more paragraphs to go. Okay, so at the end, your sloppy copy is going to have 4 things. It's going to have a title and an author, 5+ paragraphs, a timeline, and a bibliography. And we'll cover those next. Thanks for watching.